Are you being annoyed by the Common Update Module DLL error causing system instability? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic steps to fix your execution path. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for Common Update Module, you can access a utility to help standardize your system references. This is the Common Update Module, a generic naming convention used by several high-volume applications to store their background update manifest logic. Because it manages automated network connections, it is a primary target for antivirus heuristics. If missing, the parent software will report update check failed every time it is launched. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. If you see a Common Update Module DLL alert, it usually indicates a corruption within the Localized Update Orchestration subfolder of your program, so you should reinstall the affected software to clear the conflict and restore the file. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Common Update Module, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Do not let a minor runtime error escalate into a total system rebuild by attempting to force install Common Update Module DLL into directories where it does not natively belong. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. Resolve library inconsistencies and review system architecture using the reference below for information related to your Common Update Module environment. To keep your workstation running with a reliable configuration and ensure Common Update Module remains stable, subscribe to our channel and like this video.